The price of the Uniswap token has risen by more than 25% in the last 24 hours. This has led to many speculate whether this is the beginning of the second leg of the bull run precisely for Uniswap and the DeFi tokens. So in this video, we are going to take a closer look at the price predictions for Uniswap, and also we are going to take a look at what could be the fundamental reason why Uniswap has been rising. Also, what we are going to do is we are going to look at a few other DeFi tokens and understand what could be the leader in the DeFi category in this leg of the bull run. So stay tuned to this video and find out more details about Uniswap and the DeFi tokens.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below, and this is completely free of cost. If you want to become a premium member, then you can contact me on my Telegram. It is given in the pinned comments. Now let's jump on to the Uniswap price predictions. So as of this moment, Uniswap is trading at around $24, and in the last 24 hours, it has risen by approximately 25%. But before coming to the price prediction of the Uniswap token, what I want to highlight here is the major earnings that have been happening in the DeFi space for the last 7 days. Okay, so if I have to talk about the DeFi category, as per CoinMarketCap, the total market cap of the DeFi category is at about 135 billion, with Avalanche leading the category with a market cap of more than 15 billion, which is closely followed by Uniswap at $14.7 billion. But one of the important aspects that I want to highlight in this video before going to the price prediction is the gains that some of these tokens have had in the last 7 days. Look at Avalanche. Avalanche has had more than 22% growth, close to 23% growth in the last 7 days. Uniswap has risen by more than 15% in the last 7 days. Luna has actually outperformed most of the other tokens and has risen by 35%, and also Tezos has risen by 22.8%. so if you look at the complete cryptocurrency space and the top 100 tokens, these will be some of the top tokens that have actually given you a great returns in the past 7 days. So is this the beginning of the bull run for the DeFi space, like how we had the DeFi summer of 2020? Can this winter of 2021 be called the winter of DeFi? So this is just the beginning. I personally feel there is quite a bit of space that the DeFi tokens have to grow by, but I definitely feel this could be a beginning for the entire DeFi space. Now, if I have to talk about Uniswap only and understand the fundamental reason why there was an increase in the Uniswap token prices, right? So we all knew about the ban that was coming from China. China was cracking down on exchanges, on the Chinese people who were trading in cryptocurrencies, and they actually did it for the nth time, right? They did it probably for the 1000th time in the past 5 or 6 years. But one significant impact of this decision on the DeFi space has been that the decentralized exchanges like Uniswap will be getting a lot more traction from these markets. When and where the regulation will come in from the government, from respective countries, folks of those countries will gradually move towards the decentralized exchanges. So in the coming time, if we see more and more regulation coming in, then a possibility could be that exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, 1inch, and a few other decentralized exchanges could be the beneficiaries of such regulations. So according to me, this is the main reason which contributed to the growth of the Uniswap token in the past 24 hours. Now let's move on to the Uniswap USD chart and see what the charts are telling us. So as I was mentioning, in the last 24 hours, Uniswap has risen by more than 25%. If we do a quick measurement of this candle, it is actually about 27% in the last 24 hours itself, right? Now, what are the charts telling us? One of the important factors that the chart is telling us is is basically there was a double bottom pattern that got formed right here, as we can see. So if we go to the line chart, these become more and more clearer. So we formed a double bottom pattern, and the price target for this double bottom was approximately at about $24. So we are there almost. So I believe there might be a small retracement and then a probable jump could be there. Now apart from this, if we quickly take a look on the RSI, what the RSI is actually telling us. So on the RSI, one important trend that needs to be broken is this downtrend, right? This downtrend that started all the way from August 15th, and we have broken it. If you have to look at this way, we got rejections couple of times, but this time we have broken above it. Now it is important for us to come down and treat this as a support, and then the final leg would actually take Uniswap to new highs. Mind you, the all-time high for Uniswap remains to be close to about the $45 mark approximately. It varies from exchange to exchange. Now if we look at the moving averages, then what we see is on the daily time frame, the Uniswap token is above the 20-day and it's above the 100-day as well. Now the next possible resistance could be the 200-day, which is coming at about $26.8. Mind you, on the daily time frame, when the price is above the 200-day, it is considered to be in a bullish territory, and when it is below the 200-day, it is considered to be in a bearish territory, and this is considered by many professional traders. So the 200-day is something that we need to pay a closer attention to. Now if we quickly take a look at the Fibonacci retracement, what we can see is we got a rejection right from the 50% Fibonacci level, which is at 26.13. This daily candle went all the way to about 26.03, and this is on the Binance exchange. It may vary from other exchanges. It went all the way to 26.03, got a rejection right at the 50% Fibonacci level, where it has actually held as a good support in the past. As we can see right here, the candles on the 17th of August, then the candles on 24th of August, and multiple other candles held this level as a good support. Then finally we broke below it on the 7th of September. Then again we went above it, but we could not treat this as a support. Then finally we broke down and we came to the lows of approximately about $17. That was yesterday as well, and then finally we have again risen and treated this level as a resistance. So I personally feel that we might not be able to break this at one go. We might have some sideways consolidation about the 61.8, which is close to $25. It is to be $24.9 to be precise. So that is the next important level of support that the USD dollar price has to hold on to. Now if I have to talk about the price target for this complete market cycle, then my price target for Uniswap remains to be $100 minimum for this market cycle, given that there are restrictions coming in from China and extended volumes of trading happening on the decentralized exchanges, and Uniswap being the leader of decentralized exchanges, I believe the Uniswap token to gains at least a 4x from here. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions. Now if we quickly go to the UniBTC chart, what we can see is that we are actually holding good support around these levels, okay, around these levels of about 4,700 satoshis approximately. So this is the level that we have tested multiple number of times since the beginning of this year. Once we broke down below it in February, then we went up and we have been holding it all the way since February till the present time. Yesterday also we went below it, but then we got another move up 5,700 satoshis, and today we have started with a red candle, which is completely fine. What we need to see is that we are forming a double bottom pattern right here, okay. If we do a quick analysis of this double bottom pattern and have to do a price prediction, then our price target comes to approximately about 7,200 satoshis, the journey to which could again face some resistance at around the 6,500 satoshis. Because if we quickly draw a line here, what we can see is that we have been facing resistances around this region quite a few number of times, okay. We have faced these resistance multiple number of times. So the zone from about 4,700 satoshis to about 6,500 satoshis is an extremely important level to look out for. If we quickly take a look on the RSI, what the RSI is actually telling us is we have formed this beautiful double bottom pattern, this large double bottom pattern, and probably Uniswap could outperform Bitcoin in the coming days and the weeks as well. So keep a close eye on this chart pattern. It is extremely important. Now, apart from Uniswap, I told you right at the beginning of the video that there are a few tokens that we are keeping a close eye on. One of those tokens is the Compound token. The Compound, apart from Aave, has been the one of the top performers in the DeFi space for the last year and a half, right? The total market cap of Compound itself is close to $2 billion, and the trading volume is also decent for the last 24 hours as well. Now, why do we feel that Compound could be one of the top gainers? Because of the wonderful market structure that the Compound token has been forming since the past month or so, right? We have formed this huge double bottom pattern. Okay, this is a huge double bottom pattern which we have formed. The neckline is close to $372. If we are able to break above this, our price targets could be upwards of about $450 as well, right? Apart from this, there are also some inside information that a group which was responsible for pumping coins like Solana, Avalanche, DYDX, and a few others have actually set their eyes on Compound. So Compound might be one of the next tokens to actually pump. There are also a few other tokens which we have shortlisted and we'll be sharing with our family. If you want to know what are those tokens, do let me know by commenting below. Just comment DeFi and I'll share those tokens with you and do a proper price prediction video for Compound as well as those other tokens in the coming videos as well. So if you like the content, smash up the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because if you are hitting the subscribe button, it gives us the motivation to create more engaging content for you and more educative content for you as well. If you want to join our premium channel, feel free to reach out to me, because our premium members are doing pretty well over the past month or so. We have been doing a lot of good trades and we have been taking a good profit out of the market as well, irrespective of whether the market is going up or coming down. So feel free to reach out to me for that as well. If you want to join a free channel as well for discussion, you can do that by just clicking the link given in the description below as well as in the pinned comments. It is completely free of cost. Either me or someone else from the community will help you with your doubts. If you have any doubts, feel free to post there as well. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.